Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and easy crochet flower ruffle coaster. It's a very cute coaster with some cute ruffle detail, and it will fit your beverage cup just like that. They're really great with stemless wear, and they're just really cute. You can see the cute ruffle edging as you go along, and we're going to get started. So for this project, we're going to be using a size H 5mm crochet hook, and then you'll also need some 100% cotton yarn in yellow, and then the color that you want your ruffle edging to be. So I'm going to pick this pretty blue color. This is hot blue. This is Lily Sugar and Cream is the yarn I'm going to be using. All right, so let's get started. To begin, we're going to make a magic circle with our yellow yarn and chain 2. And we're going to work 10 half double crochets into our ring, into our circle here. 1, 2, and then we're going to pull our circle close and slip stitch into our first stitch. And now chain 2, and we're going to work 2 half double crochets into each stitch around. Now we're going to slip stitch into our first stitch to join. For row 3, we're going to chain 2 and work 2 half double crochet into our first stitch and 1 half double crochet into the next, 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet into the next, and we're going to repeat this all the way around. And we're going to slip stitch into our first stitch to join. Now we're going to switch to our blue yarn for row 4. So we're going to put our blue yarn on and chain 2. And now we're going to work 2 half double crochet into our first stitch. And then we're going to work a half double crochet into our next 2 stitches. And 2 half double crochet into the next. And a half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And we're just going to repeat this, working 2 half double crochet and a half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and we're going to repeat that all the way around for row 4. And now we're going to slip stitch into our first stitch to join and chain 2. And now we're going to work 2 half double crochet into our first stitch. And we're going to half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And work 2 half double crochet into the next. And half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And we're going to repeat this, working 2 half double crochet into the next and a half double crochet into the next 3 stitches all the way around for row 5. So now we're going to slip stitch in our first stitch to join. And we're going to start with our edging. So we're going to chain 2, which will count as our first double crochet, and double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 and skip the next 2 stitches and double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches and double crochet into the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches and double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And we're going to continue to work in this way all the way around this row. Now we're going to slip stitch into our first stitch to join, and I'm going to just push the inside in. It'll look like that. And now we're going to chain 3. This will count as our first double crochet, and we're going to work sideways, working around this first post here, and then we're going to go up and work on the other side of the post. So we're going to be working 4 double crochets into our first post. So I turn my work sideways, and I'm going to work 4 double crochets. And I just work around that first post there. And now we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we will now be doing the same thing going up the other side of our post and working 5 double crochets around this post. And chain 1, and see that creates our first petal. And we're going to do the same thing, working 5 double crochet into our next post. Chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to work 5 double crochet around the next post. And then we're just going to keep working in this way all the way around the post for this round. And chain 1, turn your work, and then just keep working 5 double crochets, chain 1 into each of these posts, around each of these posts, and I will meet you right back. And now we're just going to slip stitch into our first stitch and fasten off. And with my tapestry needle, I'm going to go ahead and weave in all my ends, and I'll meet you right back. And there you have your crochet flower coaster with our cute ruffle detail. And it can hold a glass just perfectly, and it's so cute and fun. And I hope you liked this tutorial. I will put the link to my blog for the written pattern in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.